Ang pinag-usapan dito, 2016 to 2022 eh.
Oo.
Magkaibang total yun eh. Sa dami mo ng pera, hindi ka marunong mag-arithmetic. Pwede ba yun? Huwag niyo kaming pinagloloko dito ah.
Vizcaya is not only involved in the flood control projects, but in many projects since the time of President Arroyo. Am I right, Mr. Vizcaya?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Let me ask you, how many projects? Because you forgot to mention, you mentioned Noynoy, you mentioned GMA, you forgot to mention Duterte during the time of Duterte, which ikaw din ay contractor. Am I right?
Yes po, Your
So how many projects did you do? Not only flood control projects, ha? How many projects did you do during the time of the previous administration and how many years? Mr. Chair.
Your Honor, okay lang po ba? I-calculate ko po yung mga documents po nung list ng mga projects. Hindi ko po masyadong ma-identify sa ngayon lahat.
Sige po, we will confront you with the documents in due time. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, you could be able to produce to us and give to us the documents, but we just would like to find out, by estimate, how many projects, because we have been talking about, we are only focused on 2022. We would like to find out, Mr. Vizcaya has admitted, Mr. Chair, that he has been a contractor since the time of President Arroyo, President Noynoy Aquino, and of course, the former administration. So by estimate, Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask Mr. Vizcaya, how many projects did you have during the time of the previous administration, and how many years, and how much with the project?
Previous administration po, hindi po siya ganun karami. Hindi po ganun karami.
Sabihin mo sa amin kung magkano.
Actually, parang umaabot lang po yata ng estimated ko parang ano po, siguro, baka siguro po, umaabot po siguro mga 2+ billion po yata.
2 billion. I was told that you were the number one contractor in the previous administration.
Yung data po, Your Honor, na nasa PCIJ, hindi po confirm po yun. Hindi po. Parang pinagsama po yung panahon po ng previous administration ni Pinoy po.
Ipapaalala ko sa iyo, Mr. Chair, under oath ka pa rin, ha? All right. Now, we were told that you were the number one contractor during that time. Do you admit that or not? You said you have 2 billion. 2 billion flood control projects. How about the other projects you had?
Your Honor, basta accumulation po. Kaya po naging number one po nung panahon na yun, accumulation po yun nung mga yung mga ano po, previous administration po ng
Well, you better
Pinoy
submit
Hindi
to
yan
us.
totoo. Hindi yan totoo. Accumulation, edi ipa-plus mo lang yung 2010 to 2016 plus 2016 to 2022. Hindi ba? Ang pinag-usapan dito, 2016 to 2022 eh.
Oo.
Magkaibang total yun eh. Sa dami mo ng pera, hindi ka marunong mag-arithmetic. Pwede ba yun? Huwag niyo kaming pinagloloko dito ah.
Mr. Vizcaya,
Okay,
nakikinig po ba kayo?
Sige po, we will confront
Ang
him.
dami niyong sasakyan. Pinagmamalaki niyo mga sasakyan niyo.
Okay.
Sasabihin mo sa akin from 2016 to 2022, 2 billion lang ang project nyo and that is only flood control projects? How about the other projects you had?
Sige po.
Your Honor,
Excuse me,
okay lang po ba na
Excuse me.
magkaroon po muna ako ng para sigurado po ako sa data ko?
Sige po. No, we will confront you with the data in due time, Mr. Vizcaya. Sige po. Alright. Last few questions na lang po, Congressman Jokno, so we can proceed na po
Yes,
to the next topic, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Lubiano, good afternoon.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, good afternoon.
I just have 1 or 2 questions for you. In the last hearing, you admitted that during the period of 2022 up to 2024, there were 83 flood control projects awarded to your company.
Yes po.
And of those,
Chair.
there were about 53 projects in Sorsogon. Tama po yun, ano? Naalala niyo yun?
Hearing, yes po. Kasi po taga dun po ako.
Yes. Prior to 2022, before 2022, how many projects were similar projects of flood control or other government infrastructure were awarded to your company?
So, ang natatandaan ko, Mr. Chair, nagsimula po kami 2009, yung company. Konti-konti po, lumalaki yung company. Kaya hindi ko maalala kung ang exact awarded projects po sa amin. So, palagi po kaming sumasali sa mga biddings, lalong-lalo na po sa Sorsogon or sa Bicol. Kasi po taga doon po kami. Mas madali po sa amin magpatrabaho po doon.
Let's just be more specific. From 2019 to 2021, more or less, hindi naman kailangan na eksaktong number. Ang mga ilan ang na-award sa inyo na government flood control or similar projects?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, pwede ko po yung table, basahin.
Apo.
Ng 2019 po, yung center race po na napanalunan or yung na-award po was 28%. Sa percentage na lang po ako kasi po, 2019, 28%, and 2025, sa lahat po ng sinalihan ng center race is only, we are awarded this year 14.74% lang po sa lahat po na sinalihan namin. Pababa nga po yung rate po namin yung sa center race po. At ng 2022 po, i-compare mo sa 2019, bumaba din po is 26%, was 26% lang po
Yung
award po sa
percentage really means nothing to us without knowing how you came up with that number. So ang tanong ko nga ay ilan ang na-award na projects sa inyo from 2019 to 2021? More or less lang naman po.
2020, wala po dito. Pwede po, Mr. Chair, ipasubmit ko na lang po sa inyo.
Kailan nyo kayang isubmit po yan?
Bukas po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, and may we request that the good gentlemen make that submission by tomorrow.
Yes po.
No more
Alright.
questions, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Jokno. Before going to Chairman Chua, Engineer Mendoza has something to say. What do you want to say? Engineer Mendoza, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Regarding nga pala dun sa nabanggit ko kanina dun sa security na ina-ask ko sana, Mr. Chair. Kasi bago ako magsalita, last September 1, may nag-message sa akin sa Viber. Ang naka-name sa Viber is Hitman. Tapos ngayon, bago ako magsalita, tumatawag na naman siya. Kumbaga, sana yung ina-ask ko sana na security is ASAP na po sana, sir.
So we are stating for the record that Mr. Mendoza is receiving threats to his life. And this is something that the committee is taking seriously. Before we adjourn, we
Sir,
will
pwede bang masama rin yung family ko po?
Yes po. We will discuss it. We will discuss it as soon as we end the meeting. Thank you po.